Yeah.
Up and do it over.
Long time no see. Basically I decided to vlog today because me and a couple of my roommates are going to go to a different city and go downtown and go and explore some shops, and I just thought it'd be fun to take you guys along with me, and it would be actually something interesting that I'm doing with my life, unlike lately with everything with quarantine. So with that being said, hope you enjoy the video. Yeah.
You go over by your car and then grab the jump. Hi, what's up? Hi.
Oh my god.
The spots are cute.
Look how cool these steps are.
There's just so much.
This is literally such a cute store. Abby heard about it, and it's called Evolution, right?
Yeah, Evolutions in Design.
Evolutions in Design in Wausau, Wisconsin. If you're ever here, come here. It's really freaking amazing. Just saying though, there's great lighting in here, so pictures.
Yeah.
Pictures aren't that big of a success, so we're gonna take some more downtown. Those ones were more of a success. Wait, do you guys want any?
I want some, but I think I'm gonna go to a different area.
Okay.
Should we go to the mall?
Yeah.
I'd
It might
be
be
down.
kind of cute, like, to get one wherever we eat. Where should we go to dinner?
I don't know.
Should we go to the
Is
mall?
the vlog on?
Like go to the eat at the mall?
No, should we go shopping at the mall?
Oh, we could go shopping
yeah.
at the mall right now.
Oh, I need to put my mask on.
Should I say yes?
Look at this presentation. I really cannot wait to eat. I'm definitely gonna order more though.
I think I will too.
I had a feeling that there was gonna be minimal.
Okay. This yellow paper one is not bad. The other one,
Yellow paper again.
it's what? It's soy paper.
I literally just gave myself a splinter. I don't want to like ruin the plate.
What's my ginger?
I usually always get Philadelphia rolls, but oh, thank you. It tastes very sweet.
I took one of the ninja ones. And the soy sauce closer.
This is how we're ending our night. Say goodnight, Courtney.
Good night.
Say goodnight, Abby.
Chill vibes tonight. Staying in.
Staying in,
Literally
watching
dead from yesterday.
watching Beat Bobby Flay. Very good show, recommend. And yeah, that's all for me today. Peace out.